overtired, frustrated, ever-expanding thoughts. My mind plays hide and seek. It is like a parrot who repeats himself. Dear mental health, I am writing with regard to numerous incidents that have occurred over the years with the intention that these can be prevented in the future. It has come to my attention that you are the cause of much despair, and I have gotten in the way of many positive opportunities. I hope that we can discuss this further and come to an agreement about how to move forward together. Kind regards, me. Sometimes my mental health is very controlling. It gets louder and more insistent that I do what it wants. They spend their time frantically running around, bumping into my skull, making me feel anxious and afraid. I can't think at all. They can be irritating, rude, selfish. I don't really know who I am without you. I search for happiness, for small successes, for peace and comfort. I have nothing left but to make myself small and to hide away from everything. Energy dispersed, energy cancelled, energy lost. My mental health is good at stealth, getting bigger and more powerful. Small now, I lose myself. Where I was, there you are. But a small bright flame remains. It seems you didn't take it after all. I see you now, understand you more. I sometimes laugh at myself and how ridiculous all the crying and fear is, and how, on a good day, I like to sit in the car and sing 80s soft rock classics. My mind escapes into distant oceans, drowning in dreams of lavender water. My mind is a magpie, distracted by stars in space, it mistakes for golden coins. My mind is fun, like lightning, making me excited, inspired, energetic, enthusiastic, engaged and creative. It's like waking a creature that's been sleeping or forgotten. My mind makes positive connections and ideas that wouldn't come any other way.